Today we will explore air layering, a fantastic way to propagate your favorite guava trees. First, select a healthy, semi-hardwood branch and carefully cut it from the mother plant. Next, bundle the branches together and secure them firmly with a zip tie for stability. We use a slice of cactus, which has natural antibacterial properties, to protect the wounded stem. Apply the cactus piece directly onto the fresh cut. This prevents rot and encourages root growth. Prepare a clear 250 ml plastic cup by cutting a small opening in the base. Slide the cup over the branch and secure it in place with more zip ties. Now, fill the cup with moist cocoa peat, which is perfect for maintaining the right humidity levels. Gently mist the cocoa peat with water, ensuring it stays damp, but never waterlogged. Finally, wrap the cup in black plastic to block out light, which helps stimulate root development. Check on your plant regularly and keep the medium moist for the next few weeks. After 1 month, we can see healthy white roots growing through the cocoa peat. Carefully cut the branch below the cup to separate your new plant. Gently remove the cup, taking care not to disturb the delicate new roots. Plant your new guava tree in a container with high-quality potting mix. Water thoroughly after planting. This helps the roots settle into their new home. Now, let's try the same process on this orange tree branch. We will use a slice of banana this time to see if it aids root growth. Place the banana slice on the branch and secure your cup as we did before. Fill the cup with cocoa peat and ensure it is packed tightly around the branch. Spray some water inside to keep the medium moist. Wrap it with black plastic to maintain humidity and block light. After 1 month, let's see how the orange tree responded. Unfortunately, this method did not work well for the orange tree. Let's try a different approach with this lemon tree. Prune the branch to prepare the site for our layering cup. Fill the cup with cocoa peat and secure it firmly to the lemon branch. Ensure the medium is well moistened for the lemon tree. Secure the plastic wrap tightly to create a perfect environment. Success! The lemon tree has developed a strong root system. Cut the branch below the cup to harvest your new plant. These roots look very healthy and ready for potting. Pot the lemon tree carefully and water it well. With proper care, your propagated trees will thrive. I hope this guide helps you propagate your own garden successfully.
Wow, wow.
Remember to check the soil moisture daily. Pruning helps maintain the shape and health of the tree. Add some organic fert for better growth. Watching your fruits grow is so rewarding. This is a great example of a healthy plant. A beautiful garden brings so much joy. Keep your tools clean and sharp. Clean tools prevent the spread of diseases. Always check for pests to keep your plants safe. Neem oil is a great natural pest repellent. Always check for pests to keep your plants safe. Adding some pebbles at the bottom helps. It's amazing to see them grow. Look at this new shoot. Take care of it. The lemon fruits are growing nicely. Soon they will be ready to harvest.